Have you ever felt a love so strong, so real, that it transcends the boundaries of the physical world? We all yearn for connection, for that special someone who sets our soul alight. What if I told you that you have the power to draw love into your life, to weave a tapestry of attraction using the very energy that flows within you? This is the promise of the Name Under Pillow ritual, a practice steeped in ancient wisdom and designed to unlock the hidden pathways of the heart. This is not mere superstition. It is about harnessing the power of your subconscious mind, the seat of your deepest desires and boundless potential. As you drift off to sleep, your mind becomes a fertile ground for planting seeds of intention. The Name Under Pillow ritual provides the perfect conditions for these seeds to blossom, transforming your dreams into a canvas for love's unfolding magic. Before we embark on this journey of the heart, we must first gather the tools that will amplify our intentions. Fear not, for these are not complex or obscure artifacts. They are simple, everyday items imbued with the power you will imbue in them. First, you will need a pen, the instrument through which your heart will speak. Choose a pen that feels comfortable in your hand, one that allows your thoughts to flow effortlessly onto the page. Next, select a perfume that resonates with the energy of love and desire. This scent will serve as a beacon, drawing your intended closer. Finally, you will need a blank sheet of white paper, a pure and unblemished canvas upon which you will inscribe your heart's desire. With your tools assembled, find a quiet space where you can focus your energy. Gently smooth out any creases on your white paper, ensuring it lays flat and pristine. This sheet represents the blank slate upon which your love story will be written. Take a moment to center yourself, to connect with the rhythm of your breath. Close your eyes and visualize the person you wish to attract. See their face, feel their presence, and imagine the joy of being together. As you hold this image in your mind's eye, begin to infuse the paper with your heartfelt desire. Now, with reverence and intention, pick up your chosen pen. Dip it into the inkwell of your heart and begin to write the name of your beloved on the paper. Write their name 3 times, each inscription a testament to the depth of your feelings. As you write, whisper their names softly, imbuing each syllable with the essence of your desire. Feel the energy of your intention flowing from your heart, down through your arm and out through the tip of your pen. This is not just ink on paper. It is the language of the heart, a powerful invocation whispered into the fabric of the universe. With the name of your beloved inscribed 3 times, it's time to further personalize your canvas of desire. Beneath their name, write a phrase that embodies the love and connection you wish to manifest. This could be something like, "Our love will blossom," or "Our hearts beat as one." Choose words that resonate deeply within you, words that evoke the emotions you long to experience. As you write, imagine these words as seeds of intention, ready to take root in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. As the day surrenders to the embrace of night, it is time to activate the magic of the ritual. Gently spritz your chosen perfume onto the paper, enveloping your written desires in a fragrant embrace. The scent will act as a beacon, drawing the energy of your intention towards you as you sleep. Carefully fold the paper 3 times, each fold amplifying the energy you've imbued within. Place the folded paper beneath your pillow, close to the realm of your dreams. As you drift off to sleep, release your desires to the universe. Trust in the unseen forces at work and know that you are deserving of love. From the ancient mystics to modern-day seekers, stories abound of those who have unlocked the power of the Name Under Pillow ritual. A young woman, heartbroken over a lost love, performed the ritual with unwavering faith. Within weeks, she found herself unexpectedly reunited with her beloved, their bond stronger than ever before. A man, yearning for a deeper connection with his wife, used the ritual to rekindle the spark in their marriage. To his delight, he noticed a renewed sense of passion and intimacy blossoming between them. These are but a few examples of the transformative power that awaits those who dare to believe in the magic of the heart. The Name Under Pillow ritual is not a guaranteed formula, but rather a catalyst for change. It is a tool to help you align with the frequency of love, to open your heart to the possibility of profound connection. The true power lies not in the ritual itself, but in the strength of your belief and the depth of your intention. Follow these steps with an open heart and unwavering faith. Pour your heart's desire onto the paper, infuse it with the essence of your being, and release it to the universe with unwavering trust. The universe conspires to support those who dare to dream, to love, and to believe in the unseen forces that connect us all. Gap 3S. As you place the name under your pillow and drift into slumber, understand that the journey does not end there. This is where the dance of patience and faith begins. The universe works in mysterious ways, often weaving threads of destiny in the background, unseen by the human eye. Trust in the process, knowing that every moment of waiting is a step closer to the love you seek. Gap 3S. During this time, continue to nurture your soul. Engage in self-love practices, surround yourself with positive energies, and keep your heart open to the possibilities. Remember, the universe responds to genuine intent and unwavering belief. As days turn into nights and nights into days, hold on to your faith, visualize the love you desire, feel it in every fiber of your being, and let your actions reflect the love you wish to receive. Gap 3S. Many have walked this path before you, each with their own unique story of love manifesting in unexpected ways. Some found their soulmates through serendipitous encounters, while others rekindled old flames. These stories are a testament to the power of faith and the magic of the name under pillow ritual. Gap 3S. Keep your journal close, documenting your dreams, feelings, and any signs the universe may send your way. This practice will not only help you stay connected to your intention, but also serve as a reminder of your journey. Gap 3S. As you continue this dance of patience and faith, know that the universe is aligning the stars in your favor. Trust the process, believe in the magic, and let the power of your dreams guide you to the love you deserve. The journey to love begins within. As you embark on this ritual, remember that you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your heart's desires. Embrace the magic that resides within you, and allow the name under pillow ritual to guide you towards the love you deserve. Share your experiences, your triumphs, and your insights with others. Together, let us create a ripple effect of love, spreading compassion, connection, and joy throughout the world. The power to unlock love lies within your grasp. Dare to believe and watch as the magic unfolds. In this final chapter, we delve into the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and the power of belief in manifesting love. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you put out. Keep your thoughts and intentions pure, and watch as love unfolds in your life. Just as a gardener tends to their plants with care and patience, so too must you nurture your dreams of love. Water them with hope, illuminate them with positivity, and shield them from the weeds of doubt. Your belief is the fertile soil where the seeds of love can grow. Visualize your desires as already fulfilled, and feel the emotions of love and happiness as if they are present now. This is not merely wishful thinking, it's an act of creation. The universe is always listening, always responding. So as you lay your head on your pillow tonight, whisper your dreams to the night, and believe with all your heart. The magic of love is real, and it begins with you. Dare to believe, and watch as your love story unfolds in the most beautiful and unexpected ways.